In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Glimpse to Chrome. If you're interested in enhancing your Google Trends experience with powerful tools that bring more insights and data to your fingertips, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. This is your starting point for accessing the vast array of extensions available to customize your browsing experience. With Chrome up and running, head over to the address bar. This is where you'll type in the URL for the Chrome Web Store, which is the go-to place for finding and installing extensions for your browser. Once you've reached the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search box prominently displayed. This is where you'll type in the name of the extension you're looking for. In this case, that would be Glimpse. Type it in and press Enter to initiate the search. The search results will display a variety of options, but the one you're interested in is Glimpse, Google Trends supercharged by Glimpse. This particular extension is packed with features designed to enhance your Google Trends experience, offering you search volume data, trend discovery tools, alerts, and other research capabilities that are incredibly useful. Now that you've found the official Glimpse extension, the next step is to add it to your Chrome browser. You'll see an option to add to Chrome. Click on it. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Here, you'll want to click Add Extension. This action will trigger the download and installation process for the extension. Chrome handles this pretty seamlessly, so you won't have to wait long before everything is ready. With the extension successfully installed, the next step is to open Glimpse. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your Chrome browser. There, you'll find the extensions icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece. Click on it to reveal all the extensions you've installed. From this list, select Glimpse. At this point, you might be prompted to sign in or create a Glimpse account if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account, and you'll be all set to explore the enhanced features that Glimpse offers. If you find yourself using Glimpse frequently, you might want to keep it easily accessible. You can do this by pinning it to your toolbar. To pin the extension, click the extensions icon once more, and then click the pin icon next to Glimpse. This will ensure that the Glimpse icon remains visible on your toolbar, allowing for quick access whenever you need it. As a quick tip, keep in mind that Glimpse integrates directly with Google Trends. It provides estimated search volumes, trend tracking, forecasting, and keyword discovery tools, making it a powerful addition for anyone looking to gain deeper insights into search trends. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore and make the most of what Glimpse has to offer.